Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin, and today I'm going to be showing you the plane crash at Camp Falling Rock in Ohio. So a thing to note about this place is it is generally not open to the public. They only do certain events where the camp is open to the public. So keep that in mind if you try to see this. Anyway, so this plane crashed at the Columbus airport in the 60s. Both people inside of it died, and it was declared unsalvageable. And then for some reason, later on, it was brought here to Camp Falling Rock. Now it rests in the woods next to, in between the Foxfire Trail and Pine Hollow campsites. So as you can see, there's not much left of it here. The last time I was at this particular plane crash was 5 years ago, and it looks like it's lost even more of its body since then. As you can see, there's like a whole part of it that's just like falling off. Many people's names are carved into it, and it's just kind of sitting here incomplete. This thing is like a favorite of the area, because they tell you all the stories about it when you go to camp here, and people love to come out and try to see it. It is kind of hard to find though, so you really have to know someone who already knows where it is. As you can see, there's nothing really left of the inside. It's completely gutted. And here's the other side of the plane. So a little fun fact before I go. The plane that this actually crashed into, the person in it was fine, and the plane was fine. It just needed some repairs. And the plane that it actually flew into is still in operation today. It's privately owned, I believe, by someone in Missouri. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for more in the future, and thanks.